Make it, Mister Maker!
Hello Australia, it's me, Mister Maker, and I'm in rehearsals for something very special indeed. In June and July, during the school holidays, I'm coming back to Australia with a brand new theatre show, Mister Maker Returns. So I hope to see all my mini-makers and their grown-ups too when I get to Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, Adelaide, Perth, Canberra, Newcastle, Albury and Geelong.
I am a circle.
There are games to be played and prizes to be won. Mini-makers' artwork will be showcased at the theatre. And what's more, there are lots of exciting opportunities to interact with me, Mister Maker, during the show. And for the first time ever, one lucky audience member will get the chance to dance live on stage with the Shapes.
I wasn't expecting that.
To find out more about the show, check out below for all the information you need on Mister Maker Returns.